Buckle up, we're about to dive deep into the thrilling unknown of the Mystery Mines, which is a fan favorite at Dollywood. It's not all about the thrills, but it's about the immersive experience from the moment that you set foot in queue and you get transported to a different world. Mystery Mine was added to the Dollywood lineup in 2007, taking up 1 acre of park. In July of that same year, the Mystery Mine was ranked 48th in the Amusement Park Today Top 50 Still Coasters of 2007. The ride gives us an awesome time with 2 vertical lifts, 95-degree drop, a heartline roll, and a turnover loop, and some of the coolest surroundings you'll find in any coaster of its kind. The cost of this coaster was $17.5 million, with a height of 85.3 feet, length of 1,804 feet, and a speed of 43.5 miles per hour. While the ride is only 2 minutes 30 seconds long, you will not want to miss 1 second of the ride. This ride accommodates 1,000 riders per hour on a busy day, and you do need to be 48 inches tall to ride. The Mystery Mine ride at Dollywood is where thrills and mystery collide. If you enjoyed this adventure, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell for more content to come. And until next time, keep the excitement alive and get out and live your next adventure.